This heart collage is sized to 16 by 20. If you want a different size, like 18 by 24, 20 by 30, 24 by 30, 30 by 40, any size, what you're going to do is first go down here and click on the grid view, bottom right hand corner. Okay, now right above it, you're going to see the word file. Click on file, click on create new design, click on custom size. Make sure you're working in, if you want inches, millimeters, centimeters, in the appropriate size, and then enter your dimensions and click on create new design. A new tab will open. Okay, now we're going to click on grid view again. We're going to go back to the original design, which is here. We are going to right click over the design, click on copy, and we will go back to the second tab and right click and click paste. The new design will be here. We actually don't need this first sheet, so we're going to delete the page, and now we're going to close grid view so we can see our design. And it is resized. You can see that we are at 24 for the width and 30 for the height. And now we're going to upload our photos. So on the left hand side, you will see it will say uploads. We're going to click on uploads. We're going to click on this purple upload files button. We're going to go to our folder of photos and click on upload. I've already uploaded my photos, so my photos are already here. Your photos will load into this left box. When they have all been uploaded, you are ready to start inserting your pictures. Okay, now we are going to create our collage. Basically, you're just going to click on a photo and drag it into the boxes. If you don't let go of your mouse, you can actually kind of move the pictures around and see where they look best. Start there. If you want to move the position of a picture, you just double click on it and move it right and left. You can also make it smaller, bigger to make it fit. And now I'm going to go through and finish positioning all the photos. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this. If you decide that there's a picture that you want to remove or replace, basically just drag a new picture into that slot. Also, if you are, let me slide this over. Okay, perfect. Oh, I have two of the same next to each other. I think this. There we go. Beautiful. I just want to show you how to change the background color on a design. So what you're going to do is click on the background color. You'll see right now the background color is set to black. You're going to click on the background colors, and then you can choose any design, any color. These are going to be solid colors, And here you're going to have some gradients. But if you wanted to get super fancy and you wanted to have a different type of background, you could act like a textured background. Canva has a lot of free backgrounds. Actually, let me go up to elements. And now I'm going to type in backgrounds. And I'm going to click on see all. And let me choose something that's kind of dark. And again, the ones that have the crown on them are for pro users. I can also click here and type in free. There we go. All right, let's say I want this blue background. Okay, so we put the background color, but now you can see that your heart is missing. So you can change this one of two ways. You can go here to position and you'll see all the layers here. And you're going to take that background and drag it to the very bottom. And there you go. The other way to do that, let me undo that. Okay, the other way to do this is to right click and go to layer and click send to back. But I think that if you click on the background and you click on position, it's always just easiest to move the layers around this way. Okay, now that we have created the collage, now we are going to design everything else. We're going to change the wording because our names are not Taylor and Travis. And we're going to change the background color and we're going to add some design elements. So first thing is I want to change our names. And so you just click in the box and start typing. If you don't like this particular font style, you can just click on the drop down and go through the fonts and pick a different one that you like. The ones that have a little crown are for Canva Pro users. If you're a free Canva user, use any of the other font styles that are available to you. Okay, I like the one that I had before, so I'm just going to undo my two choices, and I'm going to hit undo, undo. So I'm back at the Alex brush. Okay, down here, I'm going to change the wording and undo, and I'm going to type our wedding day. Okay. I want to make sure that this is centered, so you just click and drag. When you get the solid line there, you know you're in the center. Same thing for the bottom. There we go. Centered. Okay, so I've changed my wording. If I wanted this in a different color, you can go here and change it to any color that you like. I liked it with the two colors, so let me undo and get back to that. Okay. Now let's say that you want to add some text. There's two text boxes here, but let's say you just want to add some text. What you're going to do is go over here on the left-hand side. You're going to click on text, and there are plenty of kind of like cool little text box for you that are already, has like a particular design to it. Or if you just want wording, And you can type in your wedding date. I want to curve this, so I'm going to grab this little circle and bring it down here. And I want a little heart, so I'm going to click on Elements. I'm going to type in the word heart. And ooh, I like these, but they're black, so you can't see them, so we need to change the color. So we click on the box once. We're going to click up here where it says color, and now we can change these little hearts to any color we want. I'm going to keep the same red as the ones in our names. Ooh, I like that in the top right corner, but I also want it in the bottom left corner. So I'm going to click on it, and then right above it you'll see there's a duplicate button, and now it duplicated it, and I brought it over here. But you know what? I want the hearts flipped, so I'm going to click on flip, and there we go. Okay, perfect. Now we are ready to export. Okay, our design is finished and we are ready to print. So we are now going to export our design. In the top right corner, you're going to click on Share. You're going to click on Download. Even though it suggests a PNG, in order for this to print at 300 dots per inch, 300 dpi, you must choose PDF print. And we're going to click Download.